Ready?
Seen them talking up my name, but I ain't giving them the clout. I don't know what all them people talking to me about. I ain't fussy past the Henny and the Julio. You do as you wish, I'm on my bill, another groovy flow. Either way, we're out tonight, I'm trying to make a movie. If the club ain't looking open, then I'm raving in the studio. Subs in the booth, in my hand 2 cups and a all the gal them stuck to the kid. Rude boy should've stuck to the truth. Mix vodka with a sip, so I'll switch it. Mix cognac with a boost. Stepped out, jump in the whip, got 10 things in the back of the coupe. Safe, tell 'em I watch. Great might then cupping next watch. Go blind when I start, I can't watch. I spit like 16 and breeze. I spit like 16 and breeze. I spit like 16 and breeze. Then I'm raving in the studio. Raving in the studio. Then I'm raving in the studio. The club been looking open, then I'm raving in the studio. I ain't fussy past the Henny and the Julio. You do as you wish, I'm on my bill, another groovy flow. Either way, we're out tonight, I'm trying to make a movie. If the club been looking open, then I'm raving in the studio.
How many hours do we fly? I keep on dreaming of the cloud. Down when the mountains, down when the fire. Every day we vibing, like top band. Jesus in my bag, Jesus in my bag.
make it bounce.
Make it bounce.
Like I don't know, keep that in my neck. Like I ain't got that head instead of left. Like we ain't in these streets more than sexual. If that shit chicken, why she sexual? Why she keep calling my phone, speaking sexual? Every time I'm out, why she special? You call her Stephanie? I call her Stephanie.
you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more. It's that time for you to get on the floor. Now move that body and show me you want some more.
daddy, I would go and hit the brakes. Know me, daddy, I would go and hit the brakes. Go and hit the brakes, go and hit the brakes. Know me, daddy, I would go and hit the brakes. Know me, daddy, I would go and hit the brakes. Know me, daddy.
the feeling kicks in, I might stay through the night. Bet you get it now, rock that dinner now. 자꾸 터지면 누가 누군지. Whoa. Think you're running back? Guess we gonna be know what we'll get. Talk it. 눈 감고 하나 둘 셋. So come up with me, I'll take you high. That premium gonna spice up your life. You know I got the shit that you like. So come up with me, run up, jump, deal. Watch me running up the place. I'm already sitting and my girls are on the way. Watch me up and up the place. Wanna see you pumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Are you not entertained? I ain't gotta explain. I'm with all of my sisters, got him going insane. You know we on a mission, all gas, no brakes. Yeah, breaking out of this system, breaking out of this cage. Bet you get it now, ain't that it now? 순간 있지만 누가 누군지. Think you're running out, guess we gonna know. Walk it, talk it. 눈 감고 하나 둘 셋. So come on with me, I'll take you high. That premium gonna spice up your life. You know I got that shit that you like. So come on with me, run up, jump. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me open up the place. Wanna see you pumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Got cake in your area.
I just want to feel your touch. Rave, dance, drink, fuck. I just want to feel your touch. Rave, dance, drink, fuck. I just want to feel your touch. Rave, dance, drink, fuck. I just want to feel
정답은 묻지 말고 그대로 받아들여 느낌대로 가 Right 하늘을 마주하고 두 손을 더 위로 저 위로 날 뛰고 싶어
My opponents are unwanted.
Like an angel, just like crazy.
Everybody give it up for Ben! Hey, 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 hey.
Special request to all diatic dog when they come from southwest, east or north. This is the roughest for that. I'm gonna take back my dog. Hear this.
Once again, everybody, give it up for Big tonight. Holy shit! Hey, everybody! Once again, this has been Vic here at Tune Up Radio. Thank you so much for coming out here tonight.